Hi guys, we'll be offering you solution 3 in this video, and at this point I tell you welcome to Funchip Maths Academy. Today we'll be solving question 3 under exercise 1A, chapter 1 of your new general mathematics for senior secondary schools, book 1. As you all know, the purpose of this video is to make you better and better at mathematics, to get you prepared even before a lecture, so that when you get to the hall, you've already solved these questions on your own at home. You know it better, you can follow your teacher better. So we hope you take the time to go through the solutions we provide on this channel, work them out yourselves first, and then you look at the solutions we have provided, look at the steps we've given, and compare to what you've done. That way you can appraise yourself better, and by the time you get to class, you'll be in a position of advantage. You'll be able to follow your teachers better, and you'll be able to go with the flow and understand any concept more easily. Following this channel, we hope will make you become a better math student. Now, at the moment, we'll be working with the new general mathematics for senior secondary schools, book 1, 2, 3. But if you'd like us to do the same thing for JAM pass questions, YIC pass questions, let us know by hitting the subscribe button. That's the only way we can know that you want us to continue with this. Hit the subscribe button. And when you hit the subscribe button, go ahead and also hit the notification buttons. The more people will do this, the more we upload 5 to 10 videos every day. That way, we'll get to the YIC sections faster, and we'll be able to cover this whole syllabus, this whole curriculum within a space of 1, maybe 2 years. And we'll know those we're really doing it for. So if you are really interested in this, please hit the subscribe button immediately. At this point, I'd like to tell you, enjoy the video as provided by us. Thanks. In this video, we're going to be providing answers to questions in exercise 1A of the new general mathematics for senior secondary schools 1. And you can check page 15 for what we're doing. We'll be working with exercise 1A, chapter 1, and the question we're going to be working on is going to be question 3. Question 3 simply says 5y times 4y raised to power 4. Now, this is a bit different from the ones we've done previously, but we're going to try and break it down as much as possible so that it is easy for everyone to understand. Before you go ahead and go through the solutions we provide, please solve this on your own first. Then you compare it with the solutions we're going to provide for you below. That way you get better and better. So let's try and solve this. The first thing we'll do is try to break these figures up. Let's separate the terms. We have similar terms here. Y is the term, Y is the term. So we're going to separate the terms and the coefficients just to make it easy for everybody. So you know that 5y is the same thing as 5 times y raised to power 1, because anything raised to power 1 is that same term. So any term raised to power 1 gives you that same term. Y raised to power 1 will give you y. A raised to power 1 will give you a. X raised to power 1 will give you x. So it's 5 times y raised to power 1. Then for this other figure, we're going to say 4 times y raised to power 4. We've separated it because 4y raised to power 4 is the same thing as 4 times y raised to power 4. And then we collect like terms. So we can say 5 times 4. These are numbers, so we can group them together. And we now group the terms since they are similar together. So 5 times 4 times y raised to power 1 times y raised to power 4. And 5 times 4 is 20. Y raised to power 1 times y raised to power 4. When we apply the first rule of indices, which says x raised to the power a times x raised to the power b is equal to x a plus b, x raised to the power a plus b. Why? Because the terms are the same. Just like you have the same terms here. So just like x raised to the power a times x raised to the power b will be equals to x raised to the power a plus b, y raised to the power 1 times y raised to the power 4 will give you something similar, and then you will get to have y raised to the power 1 plus 4. So you already have 20 times y raised to the power 1 plus 4. And the final answer is going to give you 20 y raised to the power 5. And that is the answer.